welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley and it's another day of spooky looks. Today's look is going to be this like candy demon inspired look. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore my eyeball just watering and randomly crying. So editor Haley coming in here. I lost half of this footage, so I am starting off with already a pink face and everything already blocked out and my horns already on. So I did glue down my eyebrows and liquid latex the horns on, made out of foam clay. So if you want to keep seeing the rest of it from that starting point, please keep on watching. Now to walk you guys through this. So I did paint all of my chest purple and then made some different stripes with pink in it, and then decided to paint my face pink, and then went in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in milk and also an LA's concealer in white on my under eye, and then I pretty much set that all, and then we are to this point. I decided to paint my horns pink with a purple stripe, and then we went in with a purple eyeshadow to contour. As always, all products will be listed in the description box below. I did go in with all the same techniques on my face that I did on my chest, so you just need to recreate this on your chest. But I did contour with this purple shade, and then I went in with Makeup and Murder's hot pink pigment. I pretty much used that like a blush in a sort of way, but to also make the pink a little bit more vibrant. Taking the same purple pigment, we're gonna contour around those horns, and then I'm gonna take the same hot pink pigment and we're going to go right on the inner corner of our brow bone, and we're gonna pretty much contour our nose like we normally would, just with hot pink. Now that we got our nose contoured, we're going to go in and add some spooky looking eyebrows. I pretty much wanted something really dramatic, so I went in with some black Macaron body paint and drew those on. So we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeshadow, and I'm just taking that purple shade that we used to contour on a fluffy brush on the outer corner and underneath my lower lash line. Then we're gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in milk, do that on the inner corner, and pack on some white shadow. After we pack that on underneath our lash line as well, we're going to give ourselves a big wing with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. It's one of my favorites. And then we're gonna give us kind of like an inner corner as well, but we're gonna leave it completely open instead of filling it in. This is gonna give us the dramatic cat eye effect. So we're going to take the same purple shade we've been using to contour underneath our lower lash line, and I'm kind of flattening my brush so I can make little like streaks, like tears down my eyes. And then I'm going in with Makeup and Murder's purple pigment and their mixing liquid, and I'm kind of smearing that out as well. I went in and decided that the horns needed a little bit more love, so I added some purple eyeshadow and also that hot pink shadow from Makeup and Murder as well. Taking that same purple and pink pigment from Makeup and Murder, I used the mixing liquid, and we're just going to use it like paint, and I'm putting these in different spots of my face, in some spots and some swirls. No rhyme, no reason, just where I felt like it. I went ahead and used their Pastel Purple pigment as well. I applied some lashes and then went in with white body paint to highlight some spots on the horns. At the end of this, I did decide I wanted some white swirls and spots, so I added those in as well with Macaron body paint. Going in with NYX Lip Lingerie in XXTENDED, I applied my lips, and that completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment what you want to see next from me, because I still have a ton more of these to go. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!